What's up, YouTube world? I want to talk to you guys real quick about the idea of should you help certain people less fortunate than yourself. I would really take that with a grain of salt. Everything that you do, if you're well off and you're limited in your income, let's say your disability, older person, I would put your guard up. I would really sincerely think before. You should always go through your church or other means where other people can help you shield yourself. There should always be two people in a certain situation, one to be a witness, the other person that has the authority to give it. You always protect yourself from people. You don't know what people will do. We have a hunch. It doesn't mean it's true, but we want to be aware or wary of any happening. If I lend you $1,000, if I lend you $500, if I even lend you $2, and if you don't repay me, why should I give you anything greater than what you asked the next time? And I really would suggest telling that person to go get their own loan, to go find a trustworthy person, not yourself. Now, you can go and buy them stuff, or once again, like I say, always have two people there. Protect yourself. You're an older, vulnerable person. For me, I just tell people I don't have the money. Why would I go out of my way and pay you or give you money that most likely, if you're in a situation, you don't know how to take care of yourself, right? Why would I give you the money? If you haven't shown with other people, I just read an article, right? I read an article. It says, I was befriended when I was disabled for 10 years, and this lady took advantage of me. She took advantage of my situation of being disabled. She took advantage of my situation of not being able or aware of why she was befriended me. Took $40,000 over a long period of time. We got to be aware that most people, the Bible says our hearts are wicked, right? Our hearts are wicked. And if we know that, we also need to know that majority of the time, you're not going to get your money back. There's a point in my life I just told family, right? I'm not in a situation to pay you back. I don't have the income. I don't have the money to pay you back. Don't expect your money back. If you give me the money, I will not pay you back. And I told them that. And they understood that. But I was honest. I spoke the truth the best I could. I said I hit the floor. I hit. Most people never experience what I've experienced. And I might take it back. Most people have experienced some form of what I've experienced, but not necessarily in my situation. Now, there's people, famous people, that have, because they sacrificed for a limited amount of time, then they hit it big, right? I'm not looking to hit it big. I don't care about hitting it big. But if I do, I'll take it. It's not my goal. Like, if I win the lottery tomorrow, 100 million, 20 million, 1 million, or whatever, I'm not gonna flash it in your face. I really don't care, right? Because money doesn't make me any more than a man than what I already am. If I'm an asshole, I'm gonna be a bigger asshole. If I'm gonna be a generous person like Trump is at times, that's what I'm gonna be. Barack Obama, Biden, all these people are decent people, but if you give them more money in certain situations, they're going to be tested. I don't care what famous person, president, rich person, broke person. I remember listening to Rush Limbaugh one time. He said he had a friend, right? Was a billionaire, lost it 3 times, gained it back. See, you already know how to make the money, right? You have the talent, you have the trade, you have the contacts. If you're at that level, you can get it back. It's just a matter of figuring it out. The right contacts, the right people, the right calls, making the right calls, seeing that no one really cares like you do. But you got to be honest with yourself. See, the truth matters the most, but like, you're gonna deal with people that will make it hard, and no one cares about you like you. And there's probably 100 people out there that could pay you back. Then there's maybe 10 times, 100 times, 1,000 times that won't pay you back. But if you got good friends, they're going to help you out. Say, hey, this is my talent, my trade right now. Is there some way I can earn some side income? And I got this other job that I'm working, right? I'm working 40 hours down at the mill. But like, I also know how to paint. And I know you've been talking about getting your house painted. Or I know how to do roofing. I learned that back in high school, right? As a summer job or whatever. Cleaning out gutters, I can do that for you as well. I got a ladder, odd jobs. It's amazing how people will. It doesn't surprise me. Have a good day.